Welcome to the future of waste management. Hi, my name is Nishant. Today I will present you EcoBin 360, a game-changing solution that combines IoT sensors, artificial intelligence, and cloud analytics to transform how cities handle waste. This is not another smart bin. It is a complete ecosystem that delivers measurable environments and economic benefit. Let's talk about the urban waste crisis, and the challenges we faced. Let me paint the picture of this why this matters. Because cities are growing rapidly, but our system has not been evolved. But our waste systems have been evolved using the detecting the 66% of the population will be urban by 2000. Traditional systems are using 20 to 30% in emissions and in routing alone. The 40% of fuels is wasted by unnecessary collectivities. Poor recycling due to like a contamination and efficiency rerouting to and it is like a unnecessary it is having unnecessary emission impact which is causing the environmental impact like landfill overflow and things. Let's talk about the key innovative ideas. Like there are four revolutionary technology integrated. There are main four revolutionary technology integrated in Smart Bin EcoBin 360. Let's talk about the smart bin, multi-sensor smart bin. For the multi-smart sensor bin, we have uses like a ultrasonic field sensor that detects how much the field is level. I will show you this in the mock-up design. Also, gas detection, how much the gas is like a AI enhanced automatic sourcing for routing something like a computer vision for 35% increase in the recycling paging. Circular economy is like a real driving, like a real time tracking, like in real analyzing of real time live dashboard operator for municipality, like predicting alert systems. This is the business model canvas for EcoBin 360. Like there are the key partners. There are like a nine business canva in here. Like a key partner. There are like a Sensio, AWS also, and University are the key partner for EcoBin 360. Like a key activities like the we do RN is machine learning and algorithm development, cloud brokering, optimization, and integration operating technologies. Like a values proposition. What are the different things in like a valuation? We value like a real-time operation or how much is the landfill is doing 35 of the recycle waste improvement, solar power energy for system measure. For customer service relation, long-term service contract like a dedication, comprehensive training, quarterly analysis and reporting. For the for the key resources we use bin pattern. There's this model is already bin pattern sentence and infrastructure and monitoring. For the channels, government protocols, direct B2G sales, smart city acceleration, instant music and transmission and partnership with the waste management firms. For the consumer section most we partner with councils, hospitals and universities. What is the cost? The IoT cost is for 550 per unit, like on data transfer and resumption column. Like a revenue stream, we charge 15 to 35 AUD dollar for the hardware sales, real time, like monthly subscription, to use the app we are paying they are paying like a 15 to $35. This is like a mock-up design. This is our mock-up kind. Like you can see there is the height is like a 1.5 meter, width is called 0.7 meter, and the depth is called 0.7, and the equipment is like a 50 kg. This is the real prototype, and this is not only mock-up, this is like a working prototype. You can see there is 75% of the bill is filled. You can see how the smell is the like a normal. What is the warning? How is the route terms and how the route is. This is the mobile application for the operators. You can see there is a like a solar integrated so that it is self-contained. We did not need extra power source. So it is like a self-contained. This is the system architecture. This is like a system architecture of EcoBin 360. You can see like this is the I already talked it about the physical. I mean, this is like in the mock-up design. It's already I explained it like in the multi-sensor there is like a sensors like a tilt sensors like a security monitoring which transmit to the sensor like a in-between diagram. This is the like a in which the app was made. Already Raspberry Pi Zero, it was in and power management local AI processing for the like when it is gonna full the AI ability there. This is like for the communication we have for the communications we have like annuity security encryption low power transition and 99% for the like securing the or the for the wireless securing like a telegram tree we have used cloud anatomy real-time telemetry API like a ML and prediction model and dashboard for the user application like the municipal side like a web portal so that and see the in the mock-up design also I've already shown you the like the how the collector operates so it's like how is the road and how much is the bin fill. This is the manipulations and ESC reporting tools like a public instance relation payload. Sometimes you can feedback in the public in this. This is the this is the use case diagram for EcoBin 360. Like this, these are the actors, and this is their function. Like you can see voice collector can collect the voice and receive alert and notification in their mobile. See, similarly, like a maintenance technician also can see the receive alerts and notifications saying perform maintenance and diagnosis same. Similarly, municipal style and approve and dispatch routes, general optimization route and view and report analytically. Similarly, system admin also can like view reports and analytic manage systems and user. For the resistance also can see like a monitor bin status, labor auditor. Some municipal staff also can look the same thing. And like our residents can the report the bin is anything is happening to the bin. We can't say and this is down. This is like a technical bin. Sometimes the technical can also give some error. This is the ethical and social problems like ethical research and for the ethical data privacy and security. For the data privacy and security, we have used like entry encryption like a Jollibee model so that it secures the data. We don't want our customer data to go in the other side, the wrong hand. So AI transmitted like a open algorithm privacy permission system for monitoring environmental ethics like a sustainable materials, renewable energy, and this. Let's talk about the social economic benefits like cost benefit. Direct municipal saving like a direct municipal is saving like a many saving like a improved like waste recovery, communicator air like a cleaner and reduce error for better outcome is like a communicator say the cleaner does not have to come because the smell is they already know before the how much the smell is so like the health of the worker is really good like a job creation like for like maintaining the bean and digital include like the training programs and the for the digital we have a training program including like a mini start how to run and operate the beans regulatory support we do like a regulatory automating making that reporting it will be like a transferring marketing. Let's talk about the market impact and validation. Real world information data, like 30% of in the improvement in the representative recent pilot is like 30% in the improvement in the duty efficiency, like we improved 29% in the fuel consumption and emission. Like we save 35 the like the fuel cost dropped by 39%, which is used in the coming is so 30% of the increase. Yeah, like similarly, 33% increase in the waste processing facility through outputs. Like we do everything, and recently the world, the it's like increasing through the like waste facilities. The 18% in reduction in the waste maintenance costs, like vehicles cost, because we already know which bin is. We don't have to go manually. That's why the 18% of the vehicle consolidates are because we all know everything by the mobile so that it will be easier for everybody to you don't have to go. That's why the maintenance cost, the fuel processing fuel cost because the vehicle does not have to travel much. So already and the route is efficiency like 92 versus the 92% is of time under the same condition after that, like 92% of sometimes under the field condition, like we do like a sensor of time every time, then under the field condition 80 times of network, 89% network success rate, like they're transporting, while transporting the data, our network is like 84 89 transports are, we are trying to make to like a 94 95, because everything is not a 100%, so that's why we are trying to make it to like 89%. Is currently it's like a 89% rate is success rate while transferring the data, because we have used the inbuilt housing. So we want to make it like what is the well, as a investor you look for the market. Today let's talk about the market. The smart waste management system market currently in the 2024 was like on 3.52 billion USD dollar, but it in 2032 it will be like 8.9 million and 8.9 billion dollar USD. 63% of the Australian recovered waste was recovered from like a recycling, and up to from 2006. Look, is it from the 2006-7 already the 50% have been, the waste has been recycling, that if you do not get the smell, we don't have to take it through the landfill. So it's very good for it. Growing, growing, muni, growing regulatory pressure for circular economy academy. Like we need to head up in the circular and municipal budget for pressures like a driving efficiency bounds. Yeah, this is the reference that we have done. Thank you, and hope you can connect with us.